Hi, today we have come with a review of this wonderful product. This is a key puller. This is a key cap puller for keyboards, mechanical keyboards for computers, and these kind of tools are not found easily. It came nicely packed in a fast way. This is a key cap puller. So basically, what you do is you pick the key from it. Let's open and see. This is the actual product. So you simply put it over the key and you pull it out. This is for fixing keys or if you want to wash your keyboards. This is only 30 rupees, but they are not found in Pakistan, so I got it from China. So this is how it is. You take it and you just put it and you just pull it out. So this is the key, and you can service the keyboard and you can wash it very easily. So this is a good tool, and I wanted to clean my PCs. That's why I got it ordered. Um, if you have any questions, you can ask. Please like our video. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Soul.